Hello all, I am Purnima from Team Logic. So today I am here to talk about AI. So here this isn't just a display. This is a smart assistant at your fingertips. So let's meet Neo AI. Let's click on the AI tool and then click on circle and go. I circle this image. Now here is the content that is being generated from the image. So this content can be inserted in the Note Pro application as well for the further explanation. Going forward, we have got a smart assistive pen wherein it is very easy for us to toggle between the pages. Now, if I have to go for a next page, I simply use this pen to navigate for the next page. So now here I have come for the next page. So what is this all about? If I am an UPSC aspirant and I have got to solve questions of the previous year question papers, for example, as you can see the question here, if I have to solve the 15th question, I take the help of AI, click on AI, circle and go. I circle this entire question. So now here is the answer that is being provided for the particular question. What if the question paper is in the other language? So people will have this doubt, how do I solve if there are questions in multiple languages? Yes, you got me right. So now let me move on to the next page. So this particular question is in Hindi language. I click on AI, I click on circle and go. I circle this entire same question. As you can see, it is the same answer, that is 2 and 4, what we obtained for the last question also. Isn't it that simple? Yeah. Moving ahead. What if AI has to identify the human handwritten language? Yes, it is possible, you heard me right. So this is the question which I have written on the board. Now let me ask AI to solve this for me. Click on AI, circle and go. So here is the solution what I have got for my handwritten question as well. Let's say, what if the question is not a statement-based question and only the parameters are given? Yes, you heard me right. So I have a question where only parameters are given and I need to find out the gravitational force value, wherein purposefully I have not given the G value. Let's see how smarter is the AI and how is it going to solve the question. Let me click on the AI tool. I click on circle and go. I circle the question. Now the solution is generated here based on the parameters and I see the F value is 5.0055 into 10 power minus 5, and as it has already considered G as a constant value of 6.674 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square, which is a gravitational constant. Don't you feel the AI is smarter? So let's say I am puzzled on a topic where I need more information. So for example, the topic is human anatomy. Let's see how my AI is going to help me with this. I click on AI tool, I click on circle and go. I circle this topic. So now here is the content that is being generated for the topic. As you can see, I've got a content here which I can insert it in the Note Pro and use it for the further explanation. Also, as you notice here, there are various segments of questionnaires which is available. You can see multiple choice, short answer question, true or false, fill in the blanks, open-ended question. Let me choose one like multiple choice and click on generate. So now I have got the series of questions here. I click on one particular question. So here I've got multiple choice question. I click on answer and explanation. So here is the answer and also the explanation. Generated questions can be used as an interactive sessions in the classrooms where I can interact with the students asking these questions to them, and it can be a two-way communication between a student and a teacher. Now going further and adding more analysis to the topic, here I can also see the images, and if I click on the generate, I can also see the YouTube videos. So here I can also click on the certain images wherein the images are also inserted here, which will be providing more information in the image format for the classroom. Also, I can click on the video, and also the video can be played, which will be a reference video for more better understanding. Using a smart pen, we can turn our instructions into actions by providing the voice commands. Let's see how. What is the weather in Bangalore? So here we have got the current weather report in Bangalore. Let me explore more. Draw a circle. As you see, there is a circle which is drawn. Isn't it very smarter and following my instructions? Let's say there is a scenario where a conceptual video is played in a classroom. So now, for a better understanding, easy accessibility and a good conceptual knowledge, yes, our AI has got live subtitles. So let's see how. I'll open a video.
How's the view, little kitty?
So now I click on the AI tool. I click on live subtitles.
That's an excellent question. Hey friends, so in today's episode, let us learn about these lenses we call convex and concave. Zoom in.
So now, as you can see, there are two languages. What if I want to see the same live subtitles in my vernacular language? Say suppose it's Hindi. I click on the live subtitle, which is Kannada. I click on Hindi, and also I've got other multiple languages option. So anything that you would be requiring, you can switch to that. So now, as you can see, we can get the live subtitles in Hindi.
Main forms: convex lens and concave lens. So
let's say there is a conceptual video that has been played in the classroom. So if I want the summarized content for the same video, how do I get it? Yes, so here we have got an option, that is Video Pilot. Let's see how. Let me open the video.
Our topic for today is laws of reflection.
I click on the Video Pilot option. I click on the summary. As you see here, the summary for the entire video is being generated, and also we have got an option where we can export this summarized content. Also we can save this summarized content. Now I want to draw a diagram. So now using the AI Painter tool, I can beautify my drawings into a good format. So here I've tried drawing a rose. Let me beautify it with the AI Painter tool. Let's see how. I click on the select option, and I have selected 3D, and I click on generate. So here is a 3D image. What I tried drawing has beautified with a beautiful rose image. I wonder if I had to do a research on a particular topic, how do I do it? Yes, we have got a tool in AI, that is AI Mind Map, which will help me with this. Let's see how. Now the topic is Constitution. I select the topic, click on AI, I click on AI Mind Map. As you can see, the entire content is being generated for the topic Constitution.